Nice.
You taste good.
Thanks.
I don't know how I can taste you, even though I don't have a tongue, though. Just a small town gator living in a lonely swamp. Took the midnight stream, going anywhere.
Just a harbor seal. Born and raised in the Pacific Sea. Took the midnight stream, going anywhere.
Glowing jellyfish. That doesn't even make sense.
What? What? What is this?
You know, because you know how they say, like, street lights,
Jellyfish. Okay, you're in a swamp. What?
You took a stream going anywhere.
You're in the middle of the Pacific Ocean now. Alligators and crocodiles don't go that far.
I'm special.
This is not the best pairing ever.
Huh?
That was a fail parody.
I know, that's
I'm sorry.
your